I am so excited to share this outdoor DIY storage side table with you all, but before we get started, we need to do a patio refresh to make over our outdoor lanai space, and stay tuned because there will be a giveaway later on in this video. Welcome back to Style My Sweets. My name is Rebecca Jean. If you are new here, now before we can get into styling and decorating our outdoor space, our back patio, or as we like to call it in Florida, our lanai, first things first, we need to go ahead and clean the floor. That's going to be the first thing because there's always a ton of pollen in the springtime. So Mike is going to go ahead and pressure wash the floor, and it did an amazing job.
I also find that using a lint roller is a really great way to clean off your couch, sofa, either the outdoor cushions or even indoor couch, sofa, pillows. It's just great for picking up any dust, hair, pet hair, dander, anything like that, even pollen on the cushions. Another great way to refresh your outdoor patio space would be to change out your pillow covers for the season. So I had red pillow covers out here for Christmas and Valentine's Day. And now as we move into the spring and summer months, and I'll probably keep these here for fall as well, I wanted something a little more neutral to fit with the rest of our decor. I do have some outdoor rugs out here which are holding up well so far, and I love that they are generally easy to sweep off and they do dry out fairly quickly after the rain. Our dining table was a clearance item from World Market, and it's perfect for our space. And the chairs are kind of an indoor-outdoor set. We moved them out here after we got new ones for our dining room. I wanted to add a few pillows, starting with this set of outdoor pillow inserts and covers I got on Amazon, and then this other pillow that reads "Stay a While" from Michaels, which I thought would be perfect to add out here on our lanai as well. And Kenzie is really taking the message to heart because she could not wait to curl up with this pillow, and she definitely did decide to stay a while. Here are the flowers that we picked. You will see I'm going to be filming this across several days now, and I did come back a few times to rearrange and reposition some furniture and pillows and things, but that's the fun part about decorating your space, is that you can mix it up and move things around, and you're free to change your mind if you don't like it, or even if you did like it and now you're just ready to see it styled in a new way. This is not finished by any means, but what do you guys think about doing the artificial bird of paradise here? Now I feel like maybe this is too large here, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of moving it out here, and maybe I do like one here and one here, like right next to these. We'll see how it looks. So I am excited to show you guys these planters that I got from Ross. This was $6.99. These are a ceramic planter. This one didn't have a price, but he looked it up and said this was $4.99. I think that's a great price. Again, they don't have drainage in the bottom, but what a great price for a beautiful ceramic planter. So definitely check Ross. If Ross is not in your area, let me know down below. Do you have Ross stores in your area? If not, Home Goods, a TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, they probably have something similar. This was also $4.99, and I just thought this was so pretty. You know, these are made in Vietnam. Really, really nice. And so I want to do a flower on our table. I think this one will be really cute over here.
And we can add. Now for our DIY storage side table, I'm starting with this wooden round from Home Depot. It's a little over 17 inches across and it's already sanded and smooth, which is perfect. So we can jump right in and begin staining it to protect it from the outdoor elements and also to make it coordinate with the color of our existing wood furniture color. Now once it's dry, we can stack 2 of these 14-inch wooden rounds underneath. I will try to link everything that I used down below so you can recreate this if you are looking to do that. But I'm going to use a combo of wood glue and hot glue in the center of them and attach them securely underneath that large wooden round that we used, and then I stained the underside as well. So because they're so thin, I'm using 2 of them just to stack them up and get it a little bit thicker, but obviously if you had a different piece of wood that you were using, you could totally use just a single one. I felt like this was the most affordable option though, because the thicker ones were actually quite a bit more expensive. So I was able to kind of get the same thickness that I needed and do it at a fraction of the price. The only thing you'll want to make sure is that you do measure for whatever planter you're going to be using as your base, or whatever storage container, whatever's going to be the base of your table. You want to make sure you measure the inside diameter across the top, just to make sure that your inside wooden round circle is going to kind of like fit down in there, because that's what's going to keep the lid now from sliding off. So I decided to stain both the underside and the top side. And this beautiful planter is from Lowe's and it makes the perfect base for our table. The height was perfect for what we needed. It's actually taller than most like typical planters would be, and the lid now fits perfectly in there. So while these 14-inch pieces that we stacked underneath the lid are optional, you don't really have to add anything under there. I think that they are the perfect fit, and now they just help kind of keep that wooden tabletop from moving or sliding off. We also repotted the palm and the floral arrangement I created in the corner over here, because I found these huge planters at Costco for $15.99, and I just thought that the color was ideal for our patio space. And now I'm going to actually use the large brown one that I had gotten outside of the lanai and put it like out there with some other plants in it instead. And I love how our space is coming together so far. So anyway, I still kind of feel like maybe we need to add something on the wall over the couch. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
So this is really a great storage space. Like, could easily fit some pillows down in here if you wanted to. And then also we had these little basketballs for the trampoline. Here is our handy dandy top lid for our table. Whoops. And I just love how this turned out.
I'm also adding some solar lanterns out here. They really even became an essential for us like a few years back when we were living up north. We had a tree fall on our street and it took out the power for close to 5 days. And so I was able to actually charge up my solar lanterns all day. I would just set them out on the deck and then we would have safe lighting all night. I could bring them in without having to burn candles. And especially with kids and pets, these were such a lifesaver for us. So I wanted to give away a set of these lanterns to one of you as well. So stay tuned and I'll let you know in just a minute the details on how to win.
So I had to show you guys how disgusting the Zevo trap is. Look at all these little bugs that it's caught. So worth the money.
New one is about to go in. My sister also came to visit for a few days last month, so of course we tried out a bunch of new coffee shops together. That is definitely her thing. And then we had to spend a few hours at the beach together, catching up on life, which was just really nice. And we even got to go strawberry picking, which was great because considering it was already the end of the strawberry season here and we're already starting blueberry season here, which reminds me that May is peach season in Florida. For the outdoor solar lantern giveaway now, or gift away, I just want to express my gratitude for all of you guys. I appreciate you being here, watching my videos. You mean so much to me. And so if you would just leave a comment below letting me know what fruits are growing locally now near you, wherever you are in the world. And that way I will know that you want to be entered, and I'll just be picking someone to send a set of these solar lanterns to. I will not be asking you to click any links, download anything, or pay for anything. I'm just simply going to message you and let you know, and then you just have to email me with whatever address that you want me to have them mailed to. So simple as that.